second ball. Okay, let's go. Oh, here's the pass. Oh, right to the 5. Here it comes. Oh, good shot. What are you doing? Playing hockey? Alright, here it comes. Ready?
Pass.
Shoot. Oh, good shot.
Are you playing? What are you playing?
Hockey.
Hockey with Daddy?
Here it comes. Here comes the ball.
Okay, go see Daddy. He's got the ball. All right, good hit.
All right, let's go. Let's see how these defenders. Oh. Okay. All right, easy with the stick then.